Have you been having difficulty in styling your 5x5 or 4x4 or 6x6 closure wig? Any of your closure wig? Don't worry, this video is definitely what you need to watch. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Welcome back. In my previous video, I showed you guys how I turned my once bouncy hair that turned wavy, and I turned it back to bouncy, even more bouncy than how I bought it in the first place. That was my previous video. I'll be dropping the link below and I'll be putting it up here to watch how you can turn your bouncy hair back to bouncy. Your bouncy hair that lose its bounce, how you can turn it back to bouncy hair. But in this video, I'll be showing you how I style the hair. The hair is a 5x5 closure bouncy hair, and trust me, you don't even need any installation for this. It is completely glueless, honestly, and straight to the point. So just relax, take your popcorn and watch this video. You definitely need this. You need to watch this. First thing first, I would like to weave my hair so that the wig can sit well on my head. So what I did was that I lose my bun and I pour hair cream and I comb it out. Then I blow dry the hair. As you can see, my hair is looking so fluffy. I blow dry the hair, and this is just me trying to just weave it back. Not a perfect weaving, just to make sure everything goes back and it is flat and my wig will able to sit well on my head. Not a professional weaving. I hope you understand. So nobody should come for my weaving, please. Now I'm done weaving my hair backward, so let's get right into the main deal while you are watching this video, which is the styling and putting the wig all together. First thing I did is wear my wig cap. Yes, wear my wig cap, and this is the wig we'll be working on. If you watch my previous video on how I styled this hair, you will understand that yes, this was exactly where we stopped, and it came ready-made. You need to go and watch that previous video, because just look at this. It came ready-made just for me to put on my head and good to go. But nevertheless, you still learn a lot from this video. Look at the hair. Everything is perfectly done there. I don't teach rubbish here on my channel. I show you the right thing to do and the best thing for your hair. Look at that wig sitting pretty on my hair even without doing anything already. So after putting it on my head, I hold my holding spray at the edges. You guys, this holding spray hold my skull like its life depends on it. Honestly, I didn't know it really hold well like this because I haven't tried it before. I just went to the store and I just saw it. I just picked it from the counter, and I didn't know it is this strong. It is very, very strong. So after putting it, I use my blow dryer to blow dry. I use my comb to lay it down, to melt it down before putting my hairband. Yeah, so that's just it. So while the band is on, I'll be using that opportunity to take out the clips and pin that I used to hold the coils. So that's basically what I am doing right here. Alright, I'm done taking out the clips and pins I used to hold the coils, and I'm just going to be combing it out from the tip. You comb out from the tip and work your way through to the top. And guys, look at the fullness of this hair. The fullness is everything for me, and you can actually roll it and roll it anyhow, comb it anyhow, direct the bounce the coils anyhow you want. But one thing I am obsessed with is the fullness of this hair and the elasticity, how bouncy it is. Oh my goodness, it is so bouncy, and I'm even wowed. I'm wowed, like, how can hair be this bouncy? My video stopped at some point and I didn't realize, I didn't know until this moment. So what I did is I actually took my hot comb and flattened the center pattern of the hair. As you can see, there's difference between how it's looking now and before. So I flattened the center part, and guys, look at that bounce. Look at that bounce. You don't really need to do too much, just jump up and the hair will jump up twice. Check out the volume, guys. Check out the volume. See how full it is. Very, very full. Very full and bouncy. It's just as if they added extra air to this wig, but no, it's just the same wig but different styling techniques. Then I take off the band and voila, I'm good to go. It's all done. I just use my comb to just, caress the front and just do some oversabiting there, but the hair is done. So guys, if you haven't watched that styling video, quickly rush and go and watch it, because you don't want to miss out on this technique of styling your bouncy hair. And this is just me feeling myself, feeling the hair, looking pretty, feeling pretty, So that's just it. See you on the next one. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.